how to change country in Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, tap on account. So now we're in this account settings. Here, slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find a section called change country. Tap on change country. So this is the place where you can easily change the country. Now here on the top, tap on change country, and here there are limited countries that are available, so you can switch into the one that you're looking out. So here simply tap on the one, and at last tap on this update button. So it will take some time, and make sure you want to change it. At last tap on yes, and it's done. So you have changed the country successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.